Hello and welcome back to Designing with Reggie. I thought I'd give you a look into my fabric room. What you're looking at right now, those are just remnants that I got, maybe a yard or a half a yard. Just kind of embellish some things. I've got some really cool stuff up here. I got a corset and some other stuff. That's just, accent stuff. And up here, I have my uh I have my furs, and I have them organized in terms of color. Those are my greens. Back there, my oranges, pinks, you got yellows, purples, more purples, going down to hot pink, orange, some more purples, and I've got some other stuff over there. This is basically my suiting material that I have up there. Down here is also suiting material. And down further, we get into suiting material in addition to my upholstery fabric, which you can't tell because it's all covered up by my collection of dolls. And this is absolutely stunning. I bought this at an estate sale. Beautiful, 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 as well as this also. That's gorgeous with that orange together. I'm going to make something with that. That's beautiful. And up top, I have my seasonal fabrics. So you can see I got some Christmas stuff. And down is my animal prints. And from here on down, you have my laces all the way down to the floor. Then you have my blacks and my whites going down into more whites, then moving into some stuff. I don't know how that got in this because this is not supposed to be in there. Going to my whites, my blues, my grays. And then this is my bling stuff. It's my sequin and all of that stuff right there. I mean, it's a lot of fabric. And right here is my silk chiffon. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very good. Also went to G Street and found some more stuff. This is some other things that I got. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That color. And then, I can't leave without getting some bling. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. That's beautiful. And you're not going to believe, nothing in this room costs over $2.97. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All of this was $2.97. Now, of course, this serves as double my closet. This is the collection that I've been working on. It's a pastel theme. And I'm working on my men's looks right now. So I'm really excited about it. So let me back up so you can really get a glimpse of my fabric room. That's a lot of fabric. And I also forgot my leathers are down here. That's where I keep my leathers. So yeah, it's doubling. I've got quite a bit of Barbie stuff all packed up. Some not opened because I don't want to open them right now because I have duplicates. So yeah, and the reason why I have so much is because they were on sale, and I didn't want to leave them on sale. So, but yeah, that's my fabric room. I hope you find it interesting and inspiring. So I'm backing out, turning the lights off and shutting the door, and happy designing.